Most of us know what an air conditioning unit for a residential house looks like, but a commercial unit is different. Most commercial buildings put the unit on top, a package unit. It contains both the air conditioner and furnace. When I do commercial inspections, I usually take a team with me, a team of experts, a group of tradesmen that are experts in their field. This is one of my team members, and we're looking at package units on top of a commercial building today.
My name is Zach. I've been working in the heating and air industry for the last 12 years. Been inspecting both residential and commercial units. We're looking at commercial Lennox rooftop unit today. So today we're going to be looking at a Lennox Humiditrol rooftop unit. It's one of the prestige or high-end commercial rooftop units. There are a lot of features and benefits that come with these that are truly unique to Lennox, and they are very nice for heating and cooling in dream commercial application. This application's a restaurant. These units are equipped with dehumidification, fresh air intake, economizers for cooling, and power exhaust to keep the building pressure at a nominal rate. We'll go ahead and dive into testing and showing some of the features of this unit. We've got our Lennox Prodigy control system, the third generation of circuit board. It used to just have a little LED display and a bunch of dip switches to run through it. This one's fully interactive, very easy to utilize and set up. We're gonna go ahead and get ourselves off the thermostat by unplugging the thermostat from it. And then we're gonna go ahead and manually run this unit in the test mode. Go ahead and scroll down to the service screen, go into test, and we are going to start out with testing the cooling. We'll start with stage 1. Our compressor first stage has kicked on, our condenser fan units have kicked on, and our blower has kicked on. You're going to notice the very loud squeal, and that's all because of an improperly sized and adjusted belt. That's going to cause multiple issues. We're going to overwork our blower motor, we're going to undermove our air, and eventually we're going to wear this guy right out. It's also not going to work well in the heating mode. And go into the heating mode, strong call for heat. When this unit runs, the first thing I'm checking for is that our draft motor came on and ran. It's going to allow us to prove that we have draft. Our pressure switch will prove that. Any LEDs or errors will come up over here on our ignition control board. It's gone ahead and started to make the spark. However, this unit's not lighting. It's going to go through that trial for ignition 3 times. And then once it doesn't light, it's going to shut down. Normally, this unit would terminate its exhaust right here. Because we have the makeup air unit behind me, we can't have products of combustion being sucked back into the building. So they put this riser kit on it to get the exhaust gases up and away from the makeup air system. So the biggest benefit to this unit is the dehumidification feature. We're going to go ahead and run it in that mode now. So what you notice is that the air conditioner just kicked on. Now, what this unit really does is it runs in the cooling mode and bypasses some of the gas that would normally go to the outdoor coil and sends it into the evaporator coil. This section here is our normal evaporator coil. This smaller section that's attached to the front of it is our dehumidifying coil. So what we're doing is we're cooling down the evaporator coil and then reheating the air with this section, which has our hot gas off of our compressor. So a lot of times you'll come out to commercial rooftop units that have multiple condenser fan motors, and a lot of technicians make the mistake of thinking that a fan blade's spinning, it's got to be working, because there's nothing to divide the air between them. So if one of them quits, it still spins, it just spins backwards. So I have a quick, simple test that it looks really dumb, but man, it has saved me a lot of trouble. I'm only going to turn one of these fans on. We're going to let it get going, because what you'll notice is that they're both spinning. Just one's spinning faster than the other, and once you let them run for a good time, you can't really tell which one's working and which one's not. Paper. This unit also has a filter rack in here. It's relatively easy to slide out even when the unit's on. Filters have not been changed in quite a while. Keep up on your filter changes. You won't have filters that look like this.
I showed you this video for 2 reasons. 1, you'll never know as much as a tradesman because they specialize in this. They specialize in their field and do it every day. And 2, because if you do see something out of your comfort zone, you can always bring a team with you. Want to know what else I saw today? Subscribe to our channel and we'll keep you in the loop.